Hello. For today's relaxation technique, we're going to spend a few minutes in nature. I'm going to walk around out here with you. We'll listen to the birds and some frogs and whatever else we can hear. There was a rabbit when I first started recording, but he took off. Unfortunately, I scared him away. Sorry. All right, I'm going to flip this around and we'll walk around and see what we can see and hear. If we can get some frogs sounds. Of course, the wind picks up. I hope you took a moment to relax, fill your own cup, spend a little time in nature. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share. I'd appreciate it. Okay, thank you. Bye.